The Indian government has carried out continuous work across the country over the past decade in sectors such as roads, electricity, water, education, and health. Uttarakhand, too, has steadily benefited from the vision and initiatives of the Government of India. Projects worth 18,000 crore rupees to be inaugurated and launched in Uttarakhand. Under the Delhi-Dehradun Economic Corridor, the foundation stone is being laid for a 189-kilometer-long, 6-lane expressway from the Eastern Peripheral Expressway junction to Dehradun, to be built at a cost of 8,500 crore rupees. With this expressway, the distance between Delhi and Dehradun will be reduced by 25 kilometers, and the travel time will decrease from 6 hours to just 2.5 hours. The construction of this expressway will make connectivity between Uttarakhand and the National Capital Region easier and faster, thereby promoting various economic and commercial activities in the state. Along with this, employment opportunities will increase rapidly, further boosting the state's economic and business activities. Under the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway project, the foundation stone is also being laid for a 51-kilometer-long greenfield alignment from Haridwar to the beach area, at a cost of 2,100 crore rupees. To strengthen connectivity between villages, towns, and highways, the foundation stone is being laid for a 15-kilometer-long, 4-lane greenfield road from Manoharpur to Kongri under the Haridwar Ring Road project, with an estimated cost of 1,560 crore rupees. To further strengthen connectivity with neighbouring states, the foundation stone is being laid for the route from Dehradun to Paonta Sahib in Himachal Pradesh, to be built at a cost of 1,695 crore rupees. Additionally, under National Highway 119, the foundation stone is being laid for the widening of a 15-kilometer road between Najibabad and Kotdwar at a cost of 108 crore rupees. These roads will bring significant improvement in connectivity within Uttarakhand and its border areas. They will promote local industries and commercial activities, and also encourage the state's tourism industry. In Haridwar district, a medical college is being constructed at a cost of 538 crore rupees. With the construction of this medical college, citizens of Dehradun, Haridwar, the Garhwal region, as well as neighbouring districts of Uttar Pradesh, will benefit from high-quality medical facilities. In Dehradun, work is being carried out on projects worth 724 crore rupees to improve water supply, roads, and drainage systems for public convenience. This project will benefit a population of approximately 2.5 lakh people. Under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's resolve for the development of the Char Dham, centers of faith for Hindus across the world, foundation stones are being laid for works worth 220 crore rupees in Badrinath Dham and 54 crore rupees in Gangotri and Yamunotri Dhams. The objective of these projects is to develop Badrinath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri Dhams as smart spiritual towns. In Tehri district, as an alternative to the world-famous Lakshman Jhula Bridge, the foundation stone is being laid for a new bridge approximately 133 meters long, at a cost of 69 crore rupees, in keeping with its importance and dignity. This bridge will be highly beneficial for tourists as well as local residents and business establishments. To make Dehradun city child-friendly, a child-friendly city project is being launched at a cost of 58 crore rupees. Under this project, children from 34 schools located along 6 identified major routes will benefit from safe transportation. 7 key projects and completed works are being inaugurated. On the Yamuna River, a 120 megawatt capacity Vyasi hydroelectric project, constructed at a cost of 1,777 crore rupees, is being inaugurated. This project will generate approximately 350 million units of electricity annually, which will be supplied to the northern grid. This will further strengthen power supply in Uttarakhand. The project will also create a large number of employment opportunities at the local level. Under the Char Dham All-Weather Road project, road widening works and treatment of landslide-prone areas at various locations on National Highway 58 have been completed. The total cost of these works is approximately 689 crore rupees. As a result, the Char Dham Yatra has become more convenient and safer, and local residents have benefited greatly. To promote the conservation and enrichment of the rich cultural, artistic, and theatrical heritage of Uttarakhand and the Himalayas, the Himalayan Culture Centre built in Dehradun at a cost of 67 crore rupees is being inaugurated. At the Aroma Plant Centre in Dehradun, 6 new state-of-the-art laboratories built at a cost of 40 crore rupees are being dedicated to the nation. With the establishment of these laboratories, local agricultural research related to aromatic plants will receive a boost, further strengthening the government's resolve to increase farmers' income.